this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hey, Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Malia.Angelic. And we're with another HelloFresh cooking video. I know you guys love that. Like, who don't love cooking videos? I'll wait. Alright. So the meal of today is Bulgogi chicken tacos with pickled cucumber and sriracha crema. Prep 10 minutes, total 20 minutes, calories 710. Ingredients included are Persian cucumber, shredded red cabbage, bulgogi sauce, sriracha, white wine vinegar, chicken breast strips, sour cream, flour tortillas. Excuse me. Ingredients not included: sugar, vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. Are you part of Wine Club? Are you part of Wine Club? I'm not part of Wine Club. I'm not of a age yet. But you should get part of Wine Club. Wine Club, pair this meal with a HelloFresh wine matching this icon. Fresh, baby. Alright, let's get into it, guys. Step one. Prep and pickle cucumbers. Wash and dry all produce. Half cucumber lengthwise, then slice. Then thinly slice crosswise into half moons. In a small bowl, toss cucumber with half the vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Season with salt and pepper and set aside. Number 2. Cook cabbage. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add cabbage and season with salt and pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally until softened, 3 to 4 minutes. Turn off heat. Stir in remaining vinegar. Transfer to a medium bowl. Step number 3. Swoosh. Cook chicken. Pat chicken dry with paper towels. Season with salt and pepper. Heat a large drizzle of oil in same pan over medium-high heat. Add chicken and cook, stirring occasionally until brown, and cook through 46 minutes. If there's excess oil in your pan, carefully pour it out. Reduce heat under pan to medium. Alright, let's get into it, guys. You already know. Y'all already know my bed be looking a hot mess. Who got time? I do, but I don't feel like it. So, step number 4. Simmer sauce. Stir bulgogi sauce. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. That's just how I want to say it. So, into pan with chicken. Bring to a simmer and let bubble. Stirring chicken to coat until sauce has reduced slightly. 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in cooked cabbage, then turn off heat. Step 5. In a second small bowl, combine sour cream and as much sriracha as you like. Add water 1 teaspoon at a time until mixture reaches a drizzle consistency. Wrap tortillas in damp paper towels and microwave until warm and pliable, about 30 seconds. I don't make the crema anymore because no. Okay. Step 6. Serve. Divide chicken mixture between tortillas, top with cucumber and crema. Serve. And that is it. We finna get right into them. Boom. Serving time. Let's get it. I'm so hungry. I come back from work and I be starving. Literally. Got my tortillas. Got some sour cream on them, baby. I don't like to make that creamer. I don't ever use it. I know how I like my tacos. Be right back. I'm just make them, well, assemble them, and then come back for you guys. So I'm finished. Look at my tacos. I necessarily do not like purple cabbage or red cabbage, whatever you want to call it, but it's okay. We're trying something new. We're getting out of our comfort zone. Also, I messed up with them cucumbers. The directions told me to add the cabbage, not the cucumbers, but me, I saw a C word and thought about the cucumbers rather than the cabbage. So, oh well, we finna taste it and it's about to be good. I already know, because, you know. But, yeah, so that's it, guys. Did you make it? Did you make it? Yes, you did. Alright, yeah, I know I got this burst of energy on this video, but who don't like tacos? I'll wait. Okay. Yeah, you made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, because I enjoy cooking. I love cooking. I love watching Food Network. Y'all already know the deal. So, yeah. We on this journey together, baby. We at 37 subscribers. Yay! A little go a long way, you know. Ain't big yet, but it's okay. We progress. We're on a journey, baby. Alright, I'm starting to talk, and I don't need to be talking too much. Trying to keep these videos about 15 minutes or less. So, yeah, like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, I don't know how to dance, so don't mind me. But, yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.